Go potty. Go on, Ginger. Go potty. Ooh. She's like a collar.
Rosie doesn't know what to make of her.
I know.
Who's that whining?
Oh, you can make
yeah,
it.
let her.
You can make it.
You know, just. I wish you'd just put her down for now so she can.
Good girl.
Oh, careful.
Come on. You can do it, you little stinker.
Yeah, but she didn't go potty yet.
Come on. Come on. Ooh, come on. Come on. Come on. Look at. No. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go out here. Go potty. Come on. Come on. Hey. Come on. Ginger. Come on, baby. Rosie, nice.
Oh, look at her tail go.
Come on, Rose. Or Ginger. Tom, push the collar.
No.
Back.
No. She'll get used to it.
It's the first time I've heard her cry. Rosie.
Well, how do we get her tags? We have to go to the vet?
I gotta go to the vet. You gotta go to the vet. Ginger, don't eat that. Come here, Ginger. Oh, Ginger, no. Josh is eating the bark.
Did you bring out our treat?